tour of room 3509 at Via La Valencia in Cabo San Lucas. You do have your bracelet that is your room key, so just put that up to the door and then you walk right in. So I'm going to give you a whole tour of this entire suite in here because there is quite a lot to take a look at. So the first thing that I will point out is that when you come in, this is the connecting door. So you want to make sure that if you do not have the room next to you, keep that door closed and locked. You are going to have a living and seating area right here that we will investigate. There is a dining room table, which is perfect if you do not have an all-inclusive package, because you do also have a full kitchen that is located here as well. This includes the honor bar where you can have some snacks if you need, and they will refill this on a daily basis. You can scan the QR codes for both the honor bar and for room service, and then dial 0 to get the room service. And then the kitchen has the stovetop, it has a microwave, and then it also has, of course, the sink, dishwasher, and then your refrigerator and freezer. And again, there are beverages inside of the refrigerator. So we're just gonna go ahead and peek on inside here. So if you can see, there is both water as well as some beer and some pop in here. You, of course, because you do have a coffee maker. This includes both regular and decaf that you can use. They will again refill this every day. Use the bottled water to fill this up and make it. And then you're gonna have everything from your Cuisinart toaster, a way to do dishes because there is also a dishwasher. And then in the different cabinets, there's everything that you need to make your meals. There are storage containers. There are going to be an ice bucket for you. You have all of your cutlery as well as a wine opener and such. You're gonna have pots and pans. I'm not gonna go through everything, but gives you an idea that you really do have everything that you need. That includes a blender, knives, as well as a food processor. So it's really great. There is a snack grocery store on the first floor where you can go and pick up groceries and beverages if you do not have the all-inclusive package, and then cook here as well. You of course have your garbage can, and this is where you're going to start to notice that there are outlets everywhere. They do run on the same voltage as the United States and the same type of plugs. There are also USB plugs here too, so you've got that piece of it. And then directly behind us, kind of a cool feature when you're on vacation for an extended period with family, especially if you've got kids, in here you have your washer and dryer. So if you need to do laundry while you're here, you are able to do that as well. And there is also, just going to point this out, a pod right here that is included. So if you need to do laundry, you can. However, I'm going to tell you that's going to be scented. So if you're like me and you struggle with scented detergent, bring your own, because that makes things easier. You also do have your dining room table, as I mentioned, with a really cool looking chandelier that overhangs it. And then you've got your mirror and a little bureau over here as well as 2 chairs and a couch with a telephone that has, again, dial 0 for anything you need, whether it's housekeeping, room service, etc., etc. This is also where you're going to find both the curtain control as well as the temperature control. So you can control the temperature up or down as well as the fan speed. And then this over here is what's going to control the shades and curtains. So if you press one way, it will start to close. If you press the other way, it will open up again. And the same thing for the shears and the blackouts. So we can just go ahead and take a look at this progress right here. So do not try to open and shut these curtains on your own. This is something that is controlled completely by this button right here. So we'll go ahead and open this up because we don't need to have it closed right now. You do also notice that right over here, you do have additional plugs, including another USB outlet, as well as more plugs directly below here. There is a bunch of storage within the bureau that is immediately right here. And this couch itself is also a pull-out couch, if you notice. So this is a queen size sofa bed. So you've got additional people staying with you. This room will sleep more people, which is fantastic for families once again. There are lights. You do, of course, have your requisite television because it's a hotel, of course you do. And then again, more outlets over here. I'm gonna keep repeating this over and over again. This room has a ton of outlets so that you can control pretty much everything. There are also a light switch here, and this is gonna control some of the indoor lights. And then this is the sliding glass door out to your balcony. So be prepared to be impressed. This is a huge balcony. You've got table for 6 right here, where you can sit down and enjoy a meal or a drink, play cards, whatever you'd like to do. And then the other side of this very large balcony has 2 seats with little footrests, so you can hang out here and enjoy along with the table inside. And then this is where the bedroom is a part of this. And so the balcony goes all the way across, and you can see out when you're looking over here to the rest of the hotel, as well as the different pools and the restaurants that are all located on the first floor. One tip that the bellman did give me when I was being brought to my room is that you can always tell where you are in your room number. The first number is what building you're in. So 3 means it's the 3rd building. 5 means it's the 5th floor. And then 9 is the number of rooms that it is. Over here again, you want to make sure that you're turning this so this is locked, because if you have this door open right here, your air conditioning is not going to work. That's pretty standard across most tropical resorts. As we're continuing on, you will see, again, there are just light switches after light switches because there is so much that is in here. You're going to take a bit to get used to what is where, but that's okay. This, again, is directly off the kitchen, so you had your washer and dryer right here, and then this closed door is going to be a powder room again for you. So this is great for, again, the extra guests who are in here. You have the sink, a huge mirror, and we're going to turn on the lights in here. That has your soap, and then underneath this, you've got your towels that you need, including the bath towels, because while I said it's a powder room, this is a full bathroom. So of course, you have your toilet, and then you do have a shower, and the shower includes the L'Occitane shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Again, if you're really picky, you may want to bring your own shampoo and conditioner, but the L'Occitane stuff I usually can do pretty well with my hair. The controls are immediately right here. You're just going to go ahead and pull it and then twist from side to side for the temperature control. And this is an overhead, unadjustable rain shower head, so that you've got that access as well. And then just so you know too, this door will open in either direction, so you can have it go either closing or opening, depending upon what is the easiest for you as you're getting into and out of the shower. So we're going to go right on ahead into the bedroom, and that is right around the corner from the bathroom we were just in. It does have a full door that closes, which is, again, nice for privacy. I appreciate that. And then there is a king-size bed, as well as a small bench in the front, which is great for unpacking your items. I think that this little animal, towel animal that is right here is absolutely adorable. I love it. The attention to detail from everything that I've seen so far has been fantastic. There is floating shelves on either side for the nightstands that has the welcome information. And then you've also got your radio so that you can connect your device to it and charge through here, as well as set an alarm if you need to. I'm not planning on needing an alarm while I'm here, but maybe you will. You've got more outlets on the nightstand side, as well as the reading lamp, so you can not disturb people. Little switch right here, on and off. And then this, of course, is adjustable so that you can have it exactly where you need as you're reading in bed at night, like I do. You also have a television on this side. And then just next to that, you're going to have your little desk, which is great for getting ready in the morning because it's got a mirror directly overhead. This allows you to see what the shears look like when the shears are closed. So it gives you privacy with still letting light inside. And on the other side of this is the balcony that we just looked at. It does, of course, also have the blackout shades, just like the other side of the room that was the living room area. And this one is controlled over here, right next to the bed at the nightstand. You can see where it has the blackout and the shear controls right here, as well as a whole bunch of, again, additional light switches, electrical outlets, and then you've got your temperature control here and another nighttime reading light, as well as the full nightstand that is immediately right here. I will also point out that depending upon how you like your temperature, this overhead light does have a ceiling fan, which is fantastic for you if you would like a little bit of a breeze. There is also one, and I did not mention this before, in the main room as well, so you can control that if you would like to. Coming back on in here, let's take a look at the bathroom. I love this beautiful wood half wall that they've got here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that leads you right into the bathroom where you have a freestanding tub if you want to take a bath. And that does include the handheld shower piece of it. So if you want to pick this up and use this to wash yourself, or if you've got a child that you would like to do that with, that is right there for you. And then of course you have towels and bath mats and everything else. The actual sink area of this bathroom has 2 sinks, so I like the fact that there's double sinks as well as towels below here. You're going to have a lovely large full-size mirror to get you ready. And shocker, we have more outlets immediately right here, and then again on the other side of the sink over here. In addition, you of course have your hand soap here. This is the body lotion, and then all of the L'Occitane things that you might need, from a shower cap to having your shoe cleaners and your nail kits and everything else. There's even a shaving kit right here. So these are all available for you. And then inside here is where you're gonna not have Q-tips, which I thought was gonna be in here. But again, whole lot of stuff for you to access right there. There is a small toilet or garbage can directly here. And because of course, what would a hotel be if it did not have the magnifying mirror? Here is your magnifying mirror, so you can see all of your wrinkles and all of your flaws just like you want to. This one is a lighted one. The switch is directly below here, behind here. A lot of them are not lighted. I do appreciate that this is lighted in a way. This shower only pushes closed, so if you'll notice this right here, you can't pull this direction. It only opens into the shower. But I love the fact that there's a bench here, which makes it easy for me if I want to shave my legs, for example. This has both a handheld shower as well as the rain shower head. And this also will have your clothesline. So if you need to hang something up, you can simply pull the string across from one side to the other and hook it in, and you are all set. And then, yes, the exact same L'Occitane shampoo, conditioner, and body gel right here. They also provide bath robes for you. There are 2 of them here, so if you would like to use them while you're staying here, just don't take them with you because they will charge you for it. I appreciate that the water closet is separate. Again, this has a little mark right here, so you can't open it this direction. It only opens inward, but you have your water closet in here that includes a bidet system. So get fancy, learn how to use it, and then you're gonna go home and you're gonna wanna have your own bidet there. In this closet, you're going to have your luggage rack for you to put your suitcases away if you do not want to use the bench that is right there, as well as a bunch of hangers. I am guessing from everything that I've talked to so far, if you need more hangers, they will happily bring them to you. You also have the pillows and blankets if you are going to be using the extra sofa in there. There is a iron and ironing board if you plan to iron. I do not. I am not a good ironer. It's just not going to happen. And then you'll notice that both of these doors on both sides of the closet are floor-to-ceiling mirrors. So again, this is great with plenty of access for you to get ready, and no one is going to have to fight over mirror space as they're trying to get fancy and ready for the day or night, as the case may be. On the other side, this is where you're going to find your safe. Just like what you're used to doing, you're going to go ahead and put in a code like 1, 2, 3, 4, but be more creative, and then press close. And then when you want to open it again, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and to do that, it will reset each time you open and close it. So just know that you have to reset it each time, but it's easy to use. There is also a hairdryer included. This hairdryer is a Baby Bliss Pro Nano Titanium. I don't see the wattage on here, the voltage on here. It looks like a halfway decent hairdryer, but at least you know what they offer. So if you need to bring your own hairdryer, you are aware of that. But you've got a whole bunch of shelves as well as slippers for you to use while you're here. Slippers, of course, they don't go home with you, or they don't stay here. Once you open these up and use them, they are yours. And then if you're that person who wants to weigh yourself while you're on vacation, that is also an option right here. Me, I'm not planning to do that. This is a very, very large bathroom. It's got relative privacy. The one thing that I will say is there isn't a complete closing off from the bathroom or bedroom. So if you want to change in privacy, you're just going to send someone out to the rest of the room. But aside from that, this is absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I love the backsplash that they have behind the bathtub. And you can really see the size of this room and rooms in here, as well as the bedroom that goes on out to the balcony. The living room, again, that has access to the balcony. And then you've got the entire dining room, bathroom that's in here, and then the full-on kitchen. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your stay at the newly opened Villa Valencia in Cabo San Lucas.